Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this tutorial will be split in two parts. The first one will be how to use local push notification in iOS, and in the second part we are going to use remote push notification. So let's start. First we are going to create a React Native project. Okay, I'm going to call it push iOS. Okay. It will take a little bit. In the meantime, we are going to use this package, React Native push notification. We are going to use this package in order to use local notification. Okay. We need that feature that can allow us to create a notification. Doesn't matter if it's local or remote, just a simple notification. And this package will help will help us in that. I did a video time ago using the same package but in Android, and that tutorial was a tutorial that teach you how to create remote push notifications. Okay, so you can see that video if you have any doubt in Android. Okay guys, so it's done, and now in this tutorial we are going to install this package. But first, push iOS and install this package. Okay, but we are not going to link it yet. First, I'm going to go to the iOS folder, and I will use, not in this tutorial specifically, but maybe in the second part, the pod or the Cocoa pod package handler. If you don't know what it is, you can search it. It's really simple to use, really simple to install as well. So I'm going to create an init file, pod init, and then open it. And in this file I'm just going to take this off because it will give me an error if I don't do it, and I will exec pod install. That command create me, sorry, I have here two things. Okay, this command create me this workspace, and from here until the end of this tutorial we are going to use this workspace and not that workspace or that file. Okay, so be sure that you are using this file. Now I will open it with push iOS. Okay, I will open it. It will take a little bit because probably it will index all the files, so I will wait here, but we must do it. Okay, in the meantime we will setting up all the things that we need in the Apple developer account. So I will paste this, maybe I will need it in the future, and here I will go to I have my account here. So here in the developer account that is here, just go to your account. Remember that to do this you need to pay the developer account, that is around $100. And here I will create an identifier that will be the name of my app. It can be any ID, for example push iOS. Okay, that's it. The bundle ID, that is this bundle identifier. Okay, important to tag, where is it? Okay, this one. I didn't see it. And continue. There was an error swing that appeared. Please correct on some. Okay, I have to enter a different one. Okay, so I will do this. Continue. Perfect. So I need to change this to this and register. Okay, so I have to configure this. So let's go to the identifier, that is this one, and edit it. So here, this will be only in the development process, but for production you need to create another certificate. So I will create a certificate for this app. You need to generate a CSR file, a sign-in request. I already did it here, but if you haven't do it, you can do it in the keys part. Just go to here, was here, yeah, here, and just here. In my case it is in Spanish, but you can do it. Basically it's request for a certificate authority. Okay, and here you need just go to this step. Okay, put your email, just save in your disk, and just continue and save it, and you will have this file. Okay, so just open it, continue, and download it. Okay, so just click it and put your password to install it in your key store. Okay, and you're done. So now we have our identifier, that is this one. Our push notification in the development is setting properly, and we need to create a provisioning profile. This provisioning profile will be just a development one. In production, remember, if you want to give your app to another iOS devices or just distribute it, you will need this section. Okay, but in our case, just the development one. We will use our ID that is with the push notification available. Continue, use my device. Sorry, that was my device, is my certificate, the development one, and in my device. My name will be just push iOS development. Okay, continue, download the provisioning profile and just install it. It's opening and it's done. So we are done with that, and now we can go here. This part is ready. We can go here in our signing and check this import profile, and we will use the profile that we just download. That it must be this one. Okay, push iOS development mobile provision. We will open it, and we are done with that. I think that now we are okay with that. Okay, perfect. So now we have to continue with this. We have to link this package. Okay, Perfect. And I think that we are okay with this. So let's go here and yeah, it's okay. It's okay, this, it's okay. Okay, now we have to go over here and in background mode we need to turn it on and check the remote notification. That we are not going to use it in this tutorial, but we will need it in the second one, and the push notification as well. And I think that we are done with that. Let's go to general. Okay, this is not necessary because we are in debug mode, and I think that we are okay with that. Okay, so just wait a little bit. I just bring my phone in order to record my iPhone, sorry. Okay guys, now it's done, and let's see in our iPhone. As you can see, is working very well. So now we have to setting up the local notification, so let's do it. Okay, we are done with this, and we have to continue our setting. Here in the iOS manual installation, the React Native push notification use this push notification iOS component, so we have to install it in order to make this package work. And to do it, we just need to follow these instructions. So I will click this manually link and follow these instructions. And as you can see here, I just need to go to my Finder, my project that is here, and on models, React Native, libraries, push notifications, and I need to drag this. Okay, so I have to drag it in libraries. So let's go here, and here, and where is it? Here. I will drag it. Perfect. Now I have to link it here as well. So I need to go here, and in build faces, the link binary, and put it here. Is this one? Wait, this is weird. Okay. Oh no, wait, it's okay. Sorry, I was in the test part. You have to go to this target, remember it, and now again I will delete this and do it again. Let's go here, put it here, okay, and go to build faces and throw it here. Okay, perfect. And now this part, it's depend, okay, that is to add our path. I won't do it, so I will wait if I really need it, because it say that if you are not going to use native code to generate this push notification and just JavaScript, it's not necessary. Okay, so we are done with this, and that's it. Okay, so now guys, we just need to go here in how to use it. Okay, so now we will go we will close this. We are sorry, push iOS code. We're going to open this, just go here, and we will include this package, and now add these configurations. Okay, we don't need this, sorry. This sender ID is just for Android in this case. I think that you can use it with iOS, but I don't use this sender ID specifically in iOS. In Android, I use it, and I think that that's it. Okay, so yeah, and I will include this, the button, and put it here. The title will be notify, and on press this to go to this function, press, and go to here to this example of how to use it. I mean, it's too big, but we don't need all of this, just a little part that is the message and the title. Okay, you have more options that then you can find what they do. Okay, but just now we will use this. Okay, my notification title, my notification message. We will save it, and I think that this is enough. Okay, and now we have to do something else. Okay, guys, here this package doesn't show you the notification in foreground, just in background. So if we want push notification in foreground as well, we need to add some code. So I found, I don't have the link, I think, yeah, this link, that it was really useful. And you have to add first this import in our Xcode. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. Just here, I was following this manually link that was this, but now I need to add something in the app delegate.m. So let's go there. Okay, here I need to add this. Oh, sorry. Then I need to add this. Okay, just at the end. And now it's done this part. But as I told you, we need to add something else if we want local notification in foreground as well. So we need to add this line to here, and this code at the end here, and finally this part as well before the return yes, just like that, or like this, sorry. And now I think that we are done, so let's try it. Before I will, no, it's okay, yeah, it's okay. I will stop it and then run it, sorry, run it again, and let's see. We just need to wait a little bit. As you can see, guys, now is requiring for permission, so I will allow it. And now let's try if it works. Okay, it won't work, so let's see what's happened. Okay, so maybe there's some error, so I will see. Give me a second please, guys. Okay guys, again, so sorry, I had to put it out of here. I'm falling asleep, I think. Okay, so now we can try. So let's go to the phone. Now it's there, and now it's working. Okay, it's many times. So thank you guys, and let's see you in the second part. Thank you very much.